Good Tuesday morning, everybody. Chris Allen with your weather podcast for this November 27th. It is a Tuesday, 4:33 a.m. Central Time, temperatures in the 20s. But wind chills are in the teens. So as you're getting ready for work, getting ready for school, you'll need to dress for the teens. Yes. It is that cold this morning, unseasonably cold. We do see a warm-up coming for the weekend, but with that, looks like some unsettled weather and not good timing for the Christmas parades this weekend. Looks like it could even get stormy, and I'm talking thunderstorms and some gusty winds and heavy rain. Not the best conditions for Christmas parades, but I'll get to that in just a minute. Yesterday, we had a high of 47. That happened just after midnight, and then the temperature stayed pretty much in the 30s for the rest of the day and those occasional snow flurries. We're even seeing a few flurries this morning. Not a big deal here under cloudy skies, but considering the temperature, there could be an icy spot, especially if you're heading further north or east. Like up around the Lexington area, if you happen to be going that direction this morning, they have reported some icy spots and even a few slide-offs and minor accidents because they had some freezing drizzle overnight and early this morning. And it's a little bit icy up that way. But down here, I think we're fine. But we did hit 47 early. That was 8 degrees colder than the average of 55. We were 4 degrees colder on the low temperature side of 30, 4 degrees colder than the average of 34. 1 year ago, we had a high of 59 and a low of 31 back in 2017. No real measurable precipitation over the past 24 hours. We can call it a trace of snow flurry activity from yesterday, but it won't change the numbers. We're at 4.56, just over 4.5 inches for the month of November. That gives us a surplus of just about an inch above average. And year to date, looking really good. We're 4 and almost 4/10 inches above average. Today, we're going to wait on the sunshine a little bit longer. We had hoped that we would see clearing this morning, but that's not happening yet. Still a good blanket of clouds, breezy, cold, occasional flurries, and we'll see a high today of only 34 with a west wind at 12 to 24. Not quite as windy as yesterday, but still that breeze is going to make the wind chills feel like they're in the teens and 20s. So it is going to be kind of a brisk day with an occasional snowflake here and there. We will begin to see some sunshine later in the day as we clear up, especially tonight, a low of 20. Some of you may even find your early morning temperatures falling into the teens by Wednesday morning. Wednesday, though, mostly sunny, just a tad warmer, 39, maybe 40. Thursday, a real warm-up comes in because we'll have a warm front passing into the area, and with that will come a 60% chance of showers and a high of 52. We warm up even more on Friday, windy, warm, high of 63, but a 70% chance of showers, and by Friday night, even some thunderstorms with some potentially heavy rainfall. And here we go. First day of December, Saturday, Christmas parade day, 90% chance of showers and thunderstorms, we think around in the morning, and then a break in the middle of the day, and then more in the afternoon and evening. After a high of 68, we have bumped up the temperature close to 70 degrees. And you know, this time of the year, when you see that kind of temperature swing and this kind of a dynamic system, something's going to give here. South winds at 15 to 30, gusty at times, heavy rain potential. Right now, there's not a severe weather threat, but there could be. I'm not kidding. It's a really unique situation. It's November. We're unseasonably cold, but we're going to try to warm things back up above average, way above average. And with that kind of a dynamic system, anything goes. So Saturday would really be the day to watch for some maybe potentially severe weather. And then we're going to hold on to the warm air for one more day. We're going to change up the Sunday-Monday forecast and hold on to the mild air for a little longer. Sunday, mostly sunny, 63, but a secondary front will come in Monday with a 30% chance of showers. We'll see a high near 60, and then the temperatures will begin to fall, and colder air will arrive by next Tuesday, a week from, a week from today. I need more coffee, excuse me. Yes, my sinuses are a barometer. They always know when these things are going to take shape. I don't know about you, but the headaches, the sinus headaches, and the cough, and the, just nasal stuff. Yeah, we're human barometers. Those of us that can sense those pressure changes and all that. Yeah, boy, it's only going to get worse before it gets better. All right, that's going to do it. God bless you. Thanks, as always, for listening to the podcast. Know the weather before it knows you. I'll see you live at 5 on AM Kentucky, 11 a.m. on midday, streaming live to the WBKO app and WBKO.com. And don't forget updates on your Alexa device. And, of course, don't forget to download the new WBKO All-Weather app. Later this afternoon, if you get a chance, tune into my radio show. It's at Classic Hits, Sam 100.7 between 3 and 7 p.m., or you can listen online anytime, anywhere at bowlinggreensam.com.